Have you ever wondered what makes certain words linger in a woman's mind long after you've said them? Compliments can be powerful, but only if they strike deep beyond the surface. Many men waste their words on generic praises, but Stoicism teaches us something different. True attraction is not about saying what she wants to hear. It's about making her feel seen, valued, and deeply understood. Today, we're uncovering 3 powerful compliments that, when used wisely, can ignite a lasting impression in a woman's mind. So pay attention, because this is the secret language of attraction. Number 1. There's something about the way you think. I've never met someone who sees the world quite like you. Most men focus on external beauty, but women crave recognition beyond their looks. When you highlight her mind, her thoughts, and the way she sees the world, you separate yourself from the crowd. This compliment makes her feel unique, valued, and deeply appreciated on a level that others have overlooked. When a woman feels seen in a way that goes beyond her appearance, she forms an emotional attachment that lingers long after the conversation ends. Imagine this. She's lying in bed, replaying your words in her mind. No one has ever said that to me before. It's not just a compliment. It's an experience, one that makes her wonder, why does he see something in me that others don't? And that, my friend, is how attraction grows in her mind. Number 2, I love the energy you bring into a room. People naturally gravitate toward you. Women want to feel magnetic, not just pretty, but truly captivating. This compliment taps into her desire to be admired for the presence she brings into the world, rather than just her features. It's powerful because it makes her feel like someone who affects people on a deep level. This is especially impactful for women who are used to hearing basic compliments like, "You're cute," or "You have nice eyes." When you acknowledge her energy, something she's likely never been complimented on before, you create an emotional spark. She starts to wonder, what does he see in me that's so special? That curiosity turns into attraction, and suddenly, she's thinking about you more than she expected. Number 3, the way you do insert specific action is incredibly attractive. Here's where most men go wrong. They generalize. They say, "You're beautiful," or "You're amazing." While those are nice words, they don't create impact. A real compliment should be precise. Instead of just saying, "You're confident," notice how she shows confidence. Maybe it's the way she walks into a room with grace, the way she speaks with passion, or even how she handles difficult situations with composure. Say something like, "The way you speak about your passions is incredibly attractive. It's rare to see someone so driven." When you highlight something specific, she feels seen. And feeling seen is one of the most irresistible emotions a person can experience. Attraction isn't about tricks, gimmicks, or rehearsed pickup lines. It's about connection. It's about understanding what truly makes a person feel valued, seen, and appreciated. Too many men think that getting a woman's attention is about saying the right thing at the right time. But the truth is much deeper than that. A real compliment isn't just about words. It's about impact. It's about making someone feel something. That's why a simple, "You're beautiful," might make her smile for a second, but a well-thought-out, deeply personal compliment will stay with her for days, weeks, or even years. Women, just like men, crave to be understood beyond the surface. When you genuinely admire something about her, her thoughts, her energy, the way she moves through life, it resonates. It's not just about validation. It's about making her feel like she matters in a way that others haven't expressed before. And here's where many men get it wrong. They either don't compliment at all out of fear, or they overdo it with insincere flattery. The key is balance. Say less, but make it count. Instead of overloading her with empty words, choose a moment where your words will have the deepest effect. A well-placed compliment at the right time, delivered with sincerity and confidence, can be more powerful than 1,000 rehearsed lines. Now, let's take a moment to reflect. Think about the last time someone said something to you that really stuck, something that made you feel seen. It wasn't just a casual comment. It was something that made you stop and think, something that made you see yourself differently. That's the power of words. That's the power you hold. So, as you go out into the world, remember this. It's not about saying what she wants to hear. It's about saying what she needs to hear. Something real, something meaningful, something unforgettable. That's how you create attraction that lasts. That's how you become the man who isn't just another face in the crowd, but the one she can't stop thinking about. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep insights into psychology, attraction, and Stoicism. And if you want access to exclusive content that will take your understanding even deeper, consider joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the best compliment you've ever given or received? Drop it in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay strong, stay wise, and stay stoic.